Hi guys, I was out harvesting lettuce this morning and just happened to notice something I want to show you. Here, check out the lettuce I got first. That's about 5 pounds of lettuce for market tomorrow. It's actually been a little bit of a slow week for harvest. Let me show you what I got in the fridge for market. Just got 2 big toad, all my carrots, and Tom Thumbs. I picked up this Japanese beetle trap the other day by rescue. And I just wanted to show you the results. It's been up for about 3 days now, and it is about half full when I emptied it yesterday morning. First night I had it set up, I captured about that in about 3 hours. After that, I only got about up to here every day, and we had a heck of a windstorm come through last night, and now it's half full. Yeah, this trap's pretty cool. A bucket of soapy water, and you can empty it from the bottom. And there's one bucket completely full of Japanese beetles. This pheromone trap's been pretty good for me so far. Since I put it up, I've taken almost all the Japanese beetles out of my what was existing corn and green beans virtually overnight. Now, if you don't have them around, they recommend not to use them because they'll actually attract bugs from other regions. But when you have them and you know they're there, you set it up about 30 feet from where your garden beds are, and they'll take them right off there with no problem. Thanks guys, now I gotta get back to work.